front of me is DOOGEE S98, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Firstly, go into Settings, scroll down and tap on Security section. Now choose Biometrics and Password, click on Screen Lock and tap on one of those login methods. Swipe, pattern, PIN or password. After that, you need to enter it, choose Next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on Confirm. Then tap on one of those options to answer the question how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. I don't want any, so I will go with Don't Show Notifications at all and tap on Done at the bottom right corner. Now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!